Hi, I'm Jason, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to start an online hair business with no money. The first thing you will need to do is go onto Shopify.com, as we are going to be creating an e-commerce store using this platform. I will be leaving a link in the description that you can use to sign up. With this link, you'll be able to start using Shopify for free, and then after that, you'll be able to use Shopify for the next 3 months with only paying $1. Once you are signed up, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on this dashboard, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option. Right where you see Add Apps, you are going to tap right there. After you have selected Add Apps, you can tap on CJ Dropshipping right there, or you can choose to scroll down, tap on Shopify App Store. After you have selected Shopify App Store, in the search bar, you can tap and then you could type in CJ Dropshipping real quick. So let us do that. So we'll type in CJ Dropshipping right there, and you're going to select it. After selecting CJ Dropshipping, you're going to simply tap on it. Then once you have done that, you're going to tap on Install App. Once you have installed the app, you will tap on Open, and by the way, this is free to install. And the reason why I recommend CJ Dropshipping as the dropshipping app that you should use is because it provides you with all of the products from AliExpress, and it also offers numerous warehouses, so you'll be able to better deliver your products on a timely manner to your customers, as you can see right here. Since we are starting an online hair business, I'll simply type in wigs right here. After you have done that, you can see the different option: wigs for women, human hair, wigs, all different type of wigs right there, as you can see. Once you have found one that you like, so let me select wigs real quick, and you can see the different wigs right here. By the way, you can filter by warehouse. So let's say you want to target only customers in the US, you can select US warehouse. If you have a set price in mind, you can enter the price right there. Let's say, for instance, I would like to add one of these wigs. Let's say this one. All you'll need to do is hover over it. Then from there, you will see the option to list. You're going to tap on list right there. After you have tapped on list, it will lead you to the product page. And from here, you will be able to select the price that you would like to sell it for. So you can see right here, at the moment it costs $6.41, and the recommended price would be $16.48. So you'll make an estimated profit of 157%. If you would like to change the price, you can do that. So let's say, for example, I'd like to sell it for $29.99. Then I'll tap on OK, and you can see the price has been added right there. You can also scroll across, and from there you'll be able to edit anything you want. So if you like to edit the image, you could tap on the image right there. Now I'm going to select store. So let me select the store that I want to add it to real quick. So let me select the store right there. You can see here, let me select the store, and then I'm going to set the price. So let me set the price once more. So you can see there. Then I'll tap on list it now. First, let me add the product type right here. So I'll simply type in wig. Then you can select vendor. I'll tap on add new vendor, and I'll simply type in test. Then tap on confirm. Then tap on confirm right there. After you have done that, you'll tap on OK for the price change. Store price is lower than CJ price. So let me increase the price real quick. So let's say, for example, $45. Then tap on OK. Then I'll tap on list it now. After you have tapped on list it now, you're going to wait a few seconds. Once it has been uploaded, you'll be able to view it on your Shopify store, and then I'll continue the tutorial. See that it has now been listed, so let's tap on view it in store right here. Product page, as you can see right here. So if I were to tap on preview from the top menu option, you will be able to see how the product page will look when customers come onto our store. You can see it right here. So now we have added our first product. So we're going to tap on the X. Once on the product page, what I want you to do next is go over to the left-hand menu option. And from here, I want you to tap on settings at the bottom of the page. So we're going to tap on leave page. After you have tapped on settings, from here, I want you to tap on payments. After you have tapped on payments, from here, you'll be able to activate PayPal. And depending on which country you're located in, you will see other payment methods that you can also activate. So you can simply tap on activate PayPal and you'll be able to add your PayPal information so that your customers will be able to do their purchase via PayPal. And also, if you would like to make any other changes, for example, you can also tap on shipping and delivery. And from there, you can edit the shipping, for example, the countries that you would like to ship to, and so on. I've done numerous tutorials on how to do that. And if it is a case that you would like to edit the product page or any one of your pages, all you'll need to do is go over to the left-hand menu. Right where you see sales channel, you're going to tap on online store. After you have selected online store, you will be redirected to this dashboard. Once on this dashboard, you're going to simply scroll down and right beside the theme that you're using, you're going to tap on customize. And by the way, if you would like to change the theme that you're using, all you'll need to do is scroll down and you can see the different themes that you can choose, as you can see right there. And we're going to tap on customize. Once you have selected customize, you will be redirected to the editor page. At the moment, this is how your website looks. But you can edit each section by simply tapping on the section. You can edit it. So if you like to change the image, let's say I want to change the banner image, all I'll need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option. I can tap on explore free images and I could select one of these images, let's say this one. Then tap on select and you can see the image has changed right there. Also, if you like to change the text, you could tap on the text and from there you can change the text. So you can change the heading size also if you want. It is quite easy to edit all pages. And if we were to go onto the product page, you'll simply tap right where you see home page, select products, then you'll tap on default product. After you have tapped on default product, this is how the product page looks at the moment. And again, all you have to do is hover over any section that you would like to edit. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on save in the top right hand corner. Now that you have saved the changes, you can go back. So you'll tap on exit in the top left hand corner and you can tap on view your store. And from here, you'll be able to share your store URL on social media so that you can start getting some sales. And that's it. That's how to create an online hair business for free with no money at all. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.